forge the brand with responsibility, and expand the future with innovation. YueTong, provider and pioneer of intelligent manufacturing solutions for wooden doors in China. We constantly innovate for demand. In 2004, we developed China's first CNC wooden door equipment. From now on, we have built over 300 lines for customers all over the world. In China, we cooperate with the wood industry elites. For YueTong, users are not only the main body of the market, but also the promoter and participant of product innovation. All innovation inspiration of YueTong comes from the demand of wood door production site, each automation scheme jointly created by Wooden Door Enterprise. The conquest of each pain point and difficulty embodies the efforts and wisdom of industry elites. Supported by Wooden Door Enterprises and industry experts such as Tata, Jiangshan Opai, Meng Tian, Qian Chuan, Opain Home, Nature Home, Z-Bomb Home, Superus, Bigui Yuan Modern Furniture, Agile, Maceo, etc. YueTong has taken the lead in launching the automatic flexible production line of laminated door leaf, the automatic flexible production line of assembled wooden door style, mullion and decorative line, as well as the automatic flexible production line of main and auxiliary set splicing and door barrier pressing door frame, which completely overturn the traditional wooden door production mode and achieve the YueTong distinctive characteristics of flexible, intelligent, efficient, and green. YueTong, we are leading China coming out to the world. Continuous innovation, excellent quality, intimate service, to create a well-known YueTong brand image. With a market share of over 85%, YueTong not only maintains the cooperative relationship with major domestic famous wooden door enterprises, but also has an increasing influence on the international wooden door market. Customers from Israel, Iran, Canada, Singapore, Malaysia, Czech Republic, Vietnam, Russia, and Japan have traveled across the ocean to observe the automatic manufacturing achievements of wooden doors in China. Choose YueTong Wood Door Automation Equipment and Production Line. YueTong is showing the whole world a brand new image of China's wooden doors made intelligently. From product innovation to lead the drafting of a number of industry standards. From re-electing China Forestry Innovation Award to winning China Machinery Industry Science and Technology Award. From participating in the subject research of National Forestry 12th Five-Year Plan and 13th Five-Year Plan, to hosting the key R&D plan of the Ministry of Science and Technology Intelligent Robot Key Special Project. From undertaking the automatic production demonstration line of China Forest Machinery Association and Forest Products Industry Association, to becoming the solution supplier of intelligent manufacturing system of the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology of the People's Republic of China. One honor after another. The development process of YueTong is engraved step by step, highlighting her market position as the provider and pioneer of intelligent manufacturing solutions for wooden door automation in China. crafted by ingenuity. Leap to the future.